Hi there, in this video I will talk about difference between local low, roaming and the mandated profile, what it is, what is the use of it. So let's see it. Local user profile is created the first time that the user logs on the computer. The profile is stored on the computer's local hard disk. What that means is when you log into your machine using local ID password, what that means is whatever you saved on your desktop, that will be remain same on the same machine, on the same drive. If you log into another machine, those files would be not there on the desktop. So again, a local user profile is created the first time that user logs on to a computer. The profile is stored on the computer local hard drive. Okay, so the everything, whatever you saved on the desktop, whatever you have make the favorites, you have make the changes, whatever setting, Windows OS level setting or the application level setting, everything will be stored on the local machine. Okay, it will not saved on the centralized machine. Okay, centralized hard drive. So changes made to the local user profile are specific to the user. Okay, so whatever you have set up on the single machine, that will be remain same on the same machine only. Okay, when you log into another machine or another machine, you have to set up everything again. Okay, so let's look at a roaming profile. A roaming profile is stored on the central server, which can be accessed from all the domain computers. This allows you to have the same environment setting on every machine to which you log on. Your roaming profile is copied to a machine when you log on and is synchronized back to the server when you log off. So whatever setting you have on your machine right now, I'm talking about the roaming profile, the same setting you will get when you log into another machine on the same network. Okay, when you log off the machine, whatever you have made the changes again, those will be synchronized centrally. Okay, and once you logged in back, the same setting you will see. Okay, so nothing you will lose. Let's talk about the mandated profile. Mandated profile is almost same as a roaming profile. When a user has a mandated profile, they can log on to different computers and get the same desktop settings, but user will have restriction to change anything. So mandated profile usually used in the banking sector, where whatever changes they have made, admin have made for the user, those settings user will get. What that means is user will not able to change the wallpaper, user will not able to access the control panel, whatever restriction have done on the mandated profile, those things user will not able to change it. Everything user wanted to change, it will prompt to enter the password, admin credential. So mandated profile is something which widely used in banking sector, the insurance sector, where the security is must. Okay, so this all about the Windows 10 and 11 profile. If you have any question, please put the comment and I will happy to answer your question. Thank you very much.